Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can add the chat to your home screen on Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store quite easily. Go ahead and open Signal, and to add a friend or a group to your home screen, you can just go ahead and tap on their chat. Then you can see the three dots on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and click on it and you can see Add to Home Screen option. If you want to add this group to the home screen, now you can click on Add to Home Screen option and you can see the 1-into-1 group folder. So go ahead and tap on Add. After you do so, you can now notice that this group or this chat has been added to your home screen. So as soon as you click on this, you will be headed directly to the chat and you can easily chat with your favorite person or your favorite group. So guys, I hope this video about how you can add the chat to your home screen in Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.